Hi there, welcome to another video on our channel. Today we will solve two sum problem. It's a famous interview question. So you may get this interview question in your upcoming interviews. So the description goes like this. You will get an array as an input. So you need to find two elements whose sum equal to the target element. So if the elements were not found, you need to return -1. So let's solve this question. Hope you were able to understand this question. So I will repeat once again. So you need to find two numbers in an array whose sum is target. So we'll get two inputs. So one is the array and another one is target. So you need to find those two numbers whose sum is equal to target. So this kind of solutions only two numbers will be exist. Okay, only one solution will be exist, and if there is no such number, print -1. So this is the question. So let's say we pass 2 3 4. So and target is 6. So adding 2 and 4 will gives us 6. So the indices of 2 and 4 are 0 and 2. So 0 comma 2 will be the answer. Let's code this. So I will clear my screen for now. So I will write a function called as find indices. So I'm writing this in JavaScript. So I need to call this as well. Okay. So here we will get an input as array. So let's say 2 3 4 only. Same example, and we are passing target values. So here in parameters, we need to get array and target. Okay. So for this question, there is two optimal solutions are there. Okay. So I'm telling about optimal solution, not the brute force approach. So optimal solutions are one is using hash map or object here in JavaScript. So it works with any kind of input. So here if you see this array 2 3 4, it's a sorted array. So if you are working with a sorted array, you can use two-point approach. For now in this video we are going for the hash map method. So it will works with any kind of array. Okay. So what I will do is I will take one empty object. So in another languages you may call it as dictionary like Python kind of programming language. We can use let or const, not a problem. Okay. So we are taking an object. So my solution, I will explain you my solution. So when the number is 2, let's say you are looping through the array. So let's say you got 2 here. So by adding what number will get 6? By adding what number will get 6? 4, right? So we will check for 4 as the key in this object. So if we found that 4, then we will return that index. So this is our solution. So I will try to code it now. So what I will do is I will take one for loop. So we need to loop through all the array elements. So let's say I equal to 0, from 0 to I less than array dot length. So this is how we loop through the elements I plus plus. Okay. For every element, so let's say first element will be 2. So if I take 2, then what will be, so 2 will be array of I. 2 is in array of I. If I take 2, what will be the element I was looking for? So I was looking for target minus this number, right? Target minus this number. So what I'll call this as, I'll call it as complement. So we need to use let. So let complement equal to target minus. So to make it short, I'll just take it as C. So it's going to be lengthy if I take complement as a variable name. Okay, let's see equal to target minus array of I. So I need to check this C exists in object or not. If object dot C not equal to undefined. So object dot c not equal to undefined, so I got this number. So object dot c not equal to undefined means there is some value in that c. So I need to return, what I need to return, I need to return object dot c and current index value, that is I. Okay, what if I don't found that object dot c equal to undefined, then what is my next step? So I need to, let's say for first step, so we are taking 2, we need to find 4. In object there is no 4 value, so I need to store this 2 in this object. How can I store that? Object of array of I equal to I. So I is the 0, array of I is 2, so object of 2. So this is how it stores, this is how it stores. Okay, if uh, the values were not found, let's say if I write 1 here, so now the values were no two values summing up to 6, then I need to return -1. Okay, for now I'll keep it in console log. So it need to return, so it need to return -1. Okay, it is returning -1. Okay, this was working. If I give 2, it need to return. Okay, still it was returning -1. So where we are getting this error? So I need to check this. Let's wait for a second. Hmm. You can do like this. Okay. Now the C was utilizing. We if I do object dot C, it was not working. Okay, not like this. So here I need to use it like this. Okay, now I was getting 0 comma 2. So we have two kinds of things, so object dot notation and this kind of notation. So if you use dot notation here, so it is a number, right? It is not string. So 2 will be stored like this. So if 2 will be stored like this, then dot will work here, but we are storing key values like this. So that is why it was not working. So you can use this notation. Thanks for watching this video. Follow our channel for more such content on problem solving and web development. Thank you.